Ever wonder what makes a clock actually tick? Today, we're going to find out by exploring two amazing timekeepers. Yeah, one goes tick-tock, the other goes beep, but inside, they're as different as a bike and a rocket.
So how do they really pull it off? Let's take a closer look, starting with the mechanical clock.
Get this incredible machine runs with no batteries at all. Just the magic of springs and gears. It all starts with the main spring. Think of it like a big, wound-up rubber band storing up energy.
Then that energy is passed through a whole system of gears, kind of like messengers delivering a package.
And this part is the heart of the clock. It releases that energy in a perfect, steady beat. Tick-tock.
So you wind it up, the energy moves through all the parts, and that's how it tells time.
Okay, now for something totally different. The world of digital. This one is all about electricity and circuits.
You know, digital systems have a heartbeat too, a steady electronic pulse that keeps everything perfectly in sync.
Instead of a swinging wheel, this tiny crystal vibrates super fast to create a perfect electronic pulse. And just like us, this system needs a brain to do all the thinking and processing.
And here it is, the microprocessor chip. It's the brain that reads the timing signal and makes decisions.
The printed circuit board is like a nervous system, connecting all the parts so they can communicate.
So here, electrical signals do all the work, from thinking and counting to showing you the actual time.
Okay, so let's put these two worlds side by side to really see how they compare. It's pretty cool.
What's really interesting here is how they do the exact same jobs but in completely different ways.
So one relies on physical movement you can actually see, while the other uses invisible electrical signals. But the big takeaway is that both are just really clever ways to control movement and tell time. So now look around you. Can you spot the difference between the world of gears and the world of circuits?